Hey, 2017 was a pretty amazing year for all of us here, and 2018 going to be pretty amazing as well. So what happened over this past year? Hey, why don't you kind of take a look right here?
Hey, what's up? I'm Darius Rucker.
It's Jake Owen.
I'm Lauren Elena.
Hey, it's Kane Brown.
Brady Clark.
Chris Young here.
Hey, I'm Cole Swindell. You're listening to 1019 The Wolf.
We don't need the rip. You turn this parking lot into a party with a nice.
Thanks to everyone who helped raise all this money, over $9,000 going to the Northern California Fire Relief.
We just wanted to try to do what we could to give back to the community.
Headlights, every tailgate way out there was like, yeah.
Well, the attention I was looking for.
And we're highlighting her this week because, hey, you can get your adult dogs down here this month at Front Street Animal Shelter.
You
Thanks.
can't crash my party with your sorries and what always. Don't be raining on my Mardi Gras parade. For a minute, babe.
Take it on back. Yeah.
I got a drinking problem. That ain't no reason to stop.
To hit rock bottom, smoke 'em if you got 'em. Nothing's going right.
If you're gonna love somebody, yeah, you better love somebody who ruins your lipstick, not your mascara.
Hey, thanks for checking out our show, Ty, Kelly, and Chuck.
Hey, it's Brett Eldridge.
Chris Jansen.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We're Brothers Osborne.
Hey, it's Cassidy Pope.
This is Chase Rice.
What's up, y'all? It's Bradley Gilbert.
It's Chase Bryant.
Hey, I'm Dan,
And I'm Shay.
and you are listening to 1019 The Wolf.
That's my girl in the passenger seat. Windows down, dancing around, causing a scene.
Her eyes are Bud Light.
Love triangle.
Take it out on me. Yeah, when it don't add up, count on me. When you look monkey high on me.
Makes you wanna sway to the left and sway to the right.
They all wrote letters, and some of them I know for a fact engaged their families, and our school resource officers engaged their schools. So you see a number of handwritten cards.
Hey, it's Kimmy. We're wrapping things up for a fabulous couple of days down here in Disneyland, and it's been so wonderful. We've ridden all sorts of rides.
And we get to do a nice little sneak peek right here. It is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. It's opening up tomorrow. We got the whole pre-screening today. Oh, this isn't so bad.
Hi, I'm Cam.
Hey, what's up? I'm Thomas Strick.
I'm Trace Atkins. You're listening to 1019 The Wolf.
I'm Lindsay Ellis.
What's up, y'all? It's your boys here, Florida Georgia Line, and you're listening to 1019 The Wolf.
Ow, 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 woo, woo, woo. Ow, woo, woo. Ow, woo.
Thanks for being part of our family all throughout the year.
From all of us here at 1019 The Wolf,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Got lots of bars around this town. They got cold beer, yeah, and they got craft.